1939 to 1945, World War II. The world got divided into Axis and the Allied powers, with Germany as one of the Axis powers. Now since it was a war, Germany must have tanks. It means that it was important to have a knowledge for the Allied powers about the number of tanks Germany produced monthly. But how? It so happened that few number of German tanks were captured and it was time to predict the monthly production of tanks by the Germans. And another thing they knew was they had serial numbers on them. It might seem crazy, how can one estimate the number of tanks from such limited data? Well, that's why statistics is there. Use this identity. Here M is the maximum observed serial number and K is the number of tanks captured. In this case M equals 60 and K equals 4, and hence we get the estimation of 74. This method is called the minimum variance unbiased estimator, which basically estimates the average difference between two successive observations, which is this. This means that if you capture 3 tanks, successive number of tanks will have this difference. Now let's understand what's the intuition. Suppose you have 12 tanks and I have captured 3 of them with particular serial numbers on them. Now it's clear that the minimum possible number of tanks is the maximum serial number among the 3. So it's clear that the minimum number of tanks which is uncaptured is the greatest observed serial number minus the number of tanks captured. Considering the capture takes place evenly, it can be said what is the average difference between two successive observations. It's this. Now it can be said that if I further pick up 3 tanks from the previously uncaptured, the average difference between two successive observations is this. So keeping this in mind, it's predicted that the number of tanks might be this, the maximum serial number plus the estimated gap between two observations. Well, the interesting fact is that it's not the only way to approximate. Bayesian method is a slightly complicated one which calculates by using the Bayesian median and mean method, which comes from this probability mass function, and finally we get an estimation. The data predicted statistically were proved to be surprisingly close, and the approximation improves as we capture more number of tanks.